Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel AUKEY, and after a very long time I'm uploading this video, and please don't mind because I've been busy for a few days, and because of that I didn't upload any new video. So today I brought one stuff from Amazon and it got delivered. So today I'm going to share what I brought with you. So I brought this AUKEY USB turbocharger. As you can see, so this is the charger I brought from Amazon, and this is a charger for my Moto X phone. And the original Moto X charger got damaged a few days back, and I ordered this one. It does support quick charge 2.0, as you can see here, quick charge 2.0, and it does support multiple voltage support, that is 5 volt, 9 volt and 12 volt. With this charger your phone will charge faster than the normal charger. So let's get started with the unboxing. Well guys, I already removed the cover, upper cover, which is right here. Now let me open this box. So as you can see, this is the charger, this is the manual. Thanks for purchasing AUKEY product. It's a warranty card, you can use that for future if anything wrong happened to your charger. Then so the real hero is here, AUKEY charger. Let me try to focus this one. Turbocharger model PA-U28, input AC 100 to 240 volt, and the output is auto varies from 5 volt 2 ampere to 12 volt 1.5 amperes, 9 volt 2 amperes. So multiple voltage supports and multiple ampere support. This charger is very nice, quality is very nice. The plastic here is very strong, as I can see. Yeah, and it does look nice. So let's see what is inside the box, as apart from this. Okay, USB charging cable. Let me open this one. Okay, though this is charger cable, I don't think the wire is too long, but it's like 3 feet as it's written in the box, 3 feet, and the quality of the cable is very nice. Yes, the quality is quite nice. As you can see, if you can focus, then this is written AUKEY. This is the user manual. Yeah, user manual. Normal stuff, nothing much. So this is a charging cable, charger, and the warranty card, and the user manual. So these are the things inside the box. Now let's see if the charger supports my phone does support this charger or not. Is the charger is really fast charging? Let's check it out. I'm going to use this software called Ampere to check whether the current is coming from this charger, and to check how my phone is getting charged and how fast. Okay guys, let me show you how my phone is charging with this AUKEY turbocharger Ampere, and to check how fast my phone is getting charged. So before connecting this charger, my charge was like 64%, but as you can see, it's charging quite fast. It will take some time to show the real value because it's measuring still now. and the maximum current voltage is showing here 15 mA, and it's getting close to like 11 and it's increasing. So yeah, it's increasing. As you can see, it's increasing. Yeah, nice. So this means this does support turbocharging. This might not be the or this is not the original portable charger, but I am using it because my auto charger was damaged because of the electrical surge. Now, as you can see, yeah, the maximum voltage is now increased to 12, 40, 50. Yeah, is increasing, and the maximum voltage is 15. So you might not know that the charging depends upon the level of charge you have, and so my battery percentage is 77%. So this will take like 1500 mAh charge, but when you start from like 1 to 3 or 5%, this will be more than that. So this supports turbocharger, and thanks for watching.